Hello, today I will take you through theory of projections. The projection is a process of creating an image of the object on the paper as it appears when observed in a particular direction. The shape of an object is represented as a combination of elements, points, lines, and planes. Using these elements as tools of drawing, we can project an outline of the object on the paper. We will use orthographic projection where lines of sight are parallel to each other. These lines emerge from the corner points of the object and strike the projection plane. The image formed on the projection plane is known as the projection. The lines of sight are also known as the projectors. The size and the shape of the projection depends on the angle at which the object is being viewed and the distance between the object and the viewer. The projectors are perpendicular to the plane of projection. This type is known as orthogonal projection, which is prominently used in engineering drawing as they show true size proportions and shape of the objects. Planes of projection are mutually perpendicular planes known as principal or reference planes. One of them is the vertical plane VP and other one is horizontal plane HP. The intersecting line XY is the reference line. These intersecting planes create four quadrants named as first, second, third, and fourth in anti-clockwise direction. There is one more plane known as auxiliary vertical plane AVP or profile plane PP. We use AVP when the view is from the left side or the right side of the object. Alright, now consider the object in the first quadrant. Looking at it from the front side, the image is formed on the VP and is known as front view or elevation. And if we look at it from the top, then the image formed on the HP is known as top view or plan. As the object is in the first quadrant, the projection obtained is the first angle projection. Similarly, if object is situated in the third quadrant, then projection is known as third angle projection. In the first angle projection, the object lies above HP and in front of VP. The projection of the object is like a mirror image. For the third angle projection, the object lies below the HP and behind VP, and plane of projection is assumed to be transparent, lies between the observer and the object. So the line of sight passes through the plane, thus forming an image of the object. So with these fundamentals of projection, we are ready to delve deeper into engineering drawing.